identify an example to illustrate the concepts of nested loops. We have seen a program in the for loop section where a numbers table was printed as 4 cross 1 equals to 4, 4 cross 2 equals to 8, and so on and so on. What if I ask you to generate tables of all the numbers? Suppose if I give n as say 6, I need the output in this fashion. I need the table of 1 horizontally, then table of 2, the table of 3, the table of 4, and the table of 5. I need the table of all the numbers which appear up to 6. So since 6 has been given, let's print even the table of 6. So I'm supposed to print the table of all the numbers horizontally from 1 till the value of n. So now we know how to generate the table of this particular one number. Whenever a nested example program has to be done, don't think about the entire output. This is what the expected output has to be. Don't write the entire code at one stretch. Just think about any one variable. For example, I need to generate the table of this. So now if I ask you to generate the table of this, let's say I as say 3. I want to generate the table of say 3. So what I can do is I can write a simple for loop which will say j equals to 1, j less than equals to say 10, j plus plus, because 3 need to be continuously multiplied from all the numbers from 1 to 10. So here I'll say printf %d comma I asterisk j. I is 3, 3 multiplied by 1 will be displayed, 3 multiplied by 2 will be displayed, 3 multiplied. Now this will generate one table. But for the next time your I has to be changed to what? 4. Again the same task has to be repeated. When I has to be 5, again the same task. When I is 6, again same task. I is 1, same. I is 2, same. So this means that this I has to again go from 1 till 6. Because when I is 7 it should stop. So I'll say for I equals to 1, I less than equals to say n, I plus plus. After every table, since I'm supposed to get the cursor next line, I'll say printf slash n will be output. So the inner loop generates the table, the outer loop provides the numbers. So here the inner loop is said to be a table generator and outer loop is said to be a number provider. Now let's see how exactly the table is going to be printed. I'll put a formal program to illustrate this particular multiplication table. So here the same program is said. I'll ask the user to enter the last number. So assume that n is 6. N is 6. So here your I loop will provide all the numbers from 1 to 6. And this j loop will multiply the value of I from all the numbers from 1 to 10. Since I'm supposed to get the cursor to the next position immediately after printing, so I'll use slash t so that two numbers will appear with some spaces. And once the entire table has been printed, I'm supposed to get the cursor next line, hence a printf slash n is used. This printf slash n will take the control next line so that the next table will appear again on the next line. So here your I provides the number and j generates the table of the number which has been provided. If I provides 1, it will generate a table of 1. If I provides 2, it will generate the table of 2. So I keeps on providing all the numbers from what to what? 1 to n, and j generates the table of those numbers. This is how we generate the multiplication table of all the numbers from 1 to n. Thank you.